Our big list of textile recyclers helps others find you fast and send you messages or offers. It's super easy to add your business to our directory. Here's how you do that. First, navigate over to Accounts, scroll down to Business Listings, and click List Your Business. Now, here you will enter your company information. Let's go with Test Company. Here, we will enter our phone number. Over at address, we will enter our street address. Let's just use a fictitious address. Next, let's enter our city. Next, let's enter the state. Lastly, let's enter a zip code. After we're done doing that, next we have to select an organization type. The organization type is where you are letting everybody know whether you are a nonprofit, a collector, a sorter, or a distributor. In this case, let's just go with sorter. Now, it's worth mentioning that in some cases, you might be a sorter and a collector, or a sorter and a distributor. Whenever that's the case, please feel free to select more than one option. So you can select sorter and select collector. For this example, let's just leave it that way. Now you click Create. So now let's head over to our directory and see if we are listed on there. Let's filter for NY. There we have Test Company. It says we are a collector and a sorter. Let's click on it to make sure. There, that was our address, 12345 Street in New York, NY, 12345 as our zip code in the United States. That's how easy it is to list your company in our directory. Thanks for watching.